Hi, it's Ajay from TechYorker.com. Here in this video, we will discuss how to fix IE mode not working in Microsoft Edge on Windows 11. Let me tell you that IE stands for Internet Explorer. Internet Explorer is the older version of Microsoft Edge browser. However, there are still some websites that require Internet Explorer for compatibility. By default, if you visit any website that required Internet Explorer compatibility, it will automatically load in Internet Explorer mode. However, this feature is not working by default in your Microsoft Edge browser, then you can manually change the setting. For that, simply open Microsoft Edge browser, click on three-dot icon, here click on Settings, click on Default Browser tab. To use Internet Explorer compatibility mode, you have to make Microsoft browser the default browser. For that, simply click on this Make Default button. Once you have made Microsoft the default browser, you will get Internet Explorer compatibility settings. Here from the drop-down menu, simply select Allow. Once you have enabled IE mode, simply click on this Restart button. After that, whenever you visit any website that required Internet Explorer compatibility, click on three-dot icon, and here you will find Reload in Internet Explorer mode. If you want, you can also add that website to Internet Explorer compatibility settings. For that, under Internet Explorer mode pages, click on this Add button. Here enter the website URL that required Internet Explorer compatibility. Then click on Add button. The website which I added on Internet Explorer mode page will automatically open in Internet Explorer mode. However, this will also come with 30 days expiry date. So that's it for this video. By following this method, you can easily fix IE mode not working in Microsoft Edge browser. Hope you found this video helpful. See you next video.